Pozdrav svima, ovdje Milan. Danas ćemo igrati Scribblenauts Unlimited. Počnem. Za one koje ne znaju, ova igrica je takva.
Our story begins with Grandpa Edgar and Grandma Julie. You might not believe this, but Grandpa Edgar used to be the world's greatest adventurer. Grandma Julie would beg to differ. She was also an adventurer. Edgar would often brush away vines or open doors thought to be undisturbed for generations, only to find Julie was already there, having lunch. They competed like this on adventure after adventure. On one adventure, Julie beat Edgar to the top of a long-lost pyramid. But the treasure she found was an engagement ring. The two of them semi-retired to start a family, and they continued starting that family until they had 42 children. One day, Mom and Dad gave Maxwell and me two amazing gifts. The first was a magic globe that let you travel anywhere in the world. The second was the most amazing notebook. This notebook let you write any word in it, and poof, the word would come to life. Our parents were worried about us turning out to be spoiled little brats, so they sent us out to face the challenges of the outside world. On the road to the city, we ran into an old man who said he was hungry. Maxwell made something to give him, but he played a nasty trick. The apple was rotten. Oh, the old man spat it out as soon as he tasted it and was very, very angry. As he cast some sort of magic, he called us spoiled little kids and then disappeared. It didn't seem like anything had happened. But when Maxwell turned to continue down the road, I couldn't follow him. The old man had put a curse on me that was turning me to stone. We didn't know what to do. Luckily, our brother Edwin's farm was nearby. Boy, you should have seen how angry Edwin was. He couldn't believe what we did to the old man and said we probably deserved what we got. Lucky for us, Edwin knew about starites. Starites are magical objects born out of the happiness of others. When you do enough things to make others happy, you will find starite. Hopefully, if Maxwell used the notebook's power for good, he could collect enough starite to remove the curse. Maxwell said, "That's it! I'm gonna go out and do good things for all the people I can find. I'm gonna get all the starites in the world, and I'm gonna make you better, Lily." So Maxwell grabbed his notebook and headed for the door.
I evo nas, to je bila pričica neka, sve u svemu, bilo su neka žena i neki čovjek. Oni su se takmičili u avanturistima i jednog dana taj čovjek je stavio prsten u sakrivenu piramidu, ta žena je našla i onda su svenčali, imali su 42 dece, jedno dete je Lily, drugo je Maxwell, još imali ih dosta. I onda oni dobili su 2 poklona od roditelja, ona je dobila kuglu da idu po cijelom svijetu, a on je dobio čarobno blokče da mogu da šta god nacrta stvori se. I to je to. I onda su kasnije pošli u svijet. Naišao je jedan stari, bio je gladan, on tražio im je malo jednu jabuku, oni su mu dali jabuku, ali pokvarena, i onda on se razljutio i začarao Lily i ona se pretvara u kamen. I to je to. I onda su oni krenuli na farmu kod njihovog brata Edvarda, kako već. I onda on im pomogao i rekao da zvezdice će spasiti Lily. To je to. Ajde, idemo. Sad tutorial. U ovoj epizodi ćemo ovu misiju raditi, sljedeći ćemo onu tamo. Sljedeću misiju u gradu. Evo, tutorial. Ja ću ići na ABCD, evo, kliknite Edward. isti đavo. Evo. Osnove. Start. Evo sad ovo. Trebam. Igra sam ja ovo već, ali znam neke misije. Ovo znam skroz. Type something to clean. Evo sad, ovdje šta god ukucati, na primjer sponge, stvori se, uzmeš ruku, imaš clean. Imaš te razne opcije, na primjer imaš te razne stvari. Imate čak i jetpack. Remove. Evo, bacam smeće. Ok, šta sad? Sad dodamo ovdje giant, džinovsko prase. Evo ga. Ovako ne povedem takmičenju, ne znam šta će. I need wings large enough to help me fly. Ok. Chipped. Giant wings. Giant wings. Evo, džinovska krila. Tu. Evo sudija. Hippie. Iz turanca izvadimo krila, stavimo prasenicu tu krila, evo ga, cowboy, hippik, cowboyka neka. I sad bla bla bla, sad se dogovaraju. Kilaža. Zadovoljni su. Šta je ovo? Štene neko. Kako se zove ona? Mrmot, kako? Neka životinjica, neki hrčak. Op. Prvo mjesto, joki ne bismo, imamo leteće prase, to je džinovsko. Opa! Evo, dobru stvar smo učinili. Hop. Evo ga, zvezdica. Yeah! Ovaj tutorial je strašno dosta. Još malo. Imamo još dve misije. Switch. Super, super. Znači, rain, kiša. Opa. Ovdje. Ovo sad treba. Save. Sad. Ok, ajde. Reset. Yes. Evo sad trebamo ovoj devojčici pomoći. Ta devojčici. I na maci se zaglavlja na drvetu. Popnemo se kako se dobro penje. Ja ne bi se tako dobro popeo. Op, op, op. Pick up. Ej, jebi. Ajde, penj se. Penj se. Tebi. Zove se tebi. Je to razlog. Ne. Fajn. Ajde, već jedan duvati. Završimo ovu. Pick up. Idemo dole. Give. Evo give. Eto ga. Gotovo. I to. Ognjevo. Dobro, to je bilo to za ovu epizodu. I vidimo se u sljedećoj epizodi. Ćao!